It is time now to celebrate some birthdays and take a look at this cute little guy here, Benjamin Hogson, turning 3 years old today in Joplin, and this birthday wish comes with love from Dad, Mom, Aaliyah, Cooper, and Maylee. Happy birthday, Benjamin.
And let's see, we've got Rylan Keller, turning 11 years old this year in Neodesha with love from Mama and Papa.
We've also got Colton Flake turning 28. Say that 3 times fast. Colton Flake turning 28. Happy birthday to you. I'm not saying it 3 times fast, but very, very happy 28th birthday to you, Colton.
Hey, happy birthday, Colton. And a happy birthday going out to Austin McLaughlin, turning 39 years old this year. Austin is in Wyandotte.
Heading over to Crestline, we've got Kathy Parrish turning 66 years old today. Looking pretty good for 66. A very happy birthday to you, Kathy.
And in answer to your question yesterday, Kathy, no, I have not left. I'm still here.
Are you?
I'm still here.
Okay.
Yes, hope you have a happy birthday. Kathy and I share a love for the Royals.
Ah, that's a good team to get behind.
Yeah. All right, Patricia Hall, turning 72 years old this year. Patricia is in Pittsburgh with love from the entire family.
And then we head a little further west to Erie, where Jim Carlson is turning 79 years old today. Jim, a very happy birthday to you, sir.
Roger Rawson in Edna, Kansas. Happy birthday to you with love from the family.
And then this is a good party in the bus, the 25th anniversary of John and Vicki Johnson. Celebrating that anniversary, of course, in Columbus. John and Vicki, happy 25th and many more to come.
All right, in Chanute, Mr. Kim Wilson celebrating birthday number 63 this year. Michael Haberty celebrating in Frontenac, and in Erie, Lois is sending birthday wishes out to Linda Noakes.
And we've also got Paul and Mila Yeager celebrating their 47th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, Paul and Mila.
All right.